how to add the recent files widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on your home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Edit button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Now in the list of widgets, we scroll down and then tap on Files. In here, you can swipe across and select a different widget size. So we got a small size, medium, and a larger size. So touch and hold on the widget and drag it onto your home screen, or you can use the Add button at the bottom. And in here, you can tap on the widget and then you can choose the location. So in here, we can choose recent, share, or downloads. And then tap outside of that box to save the changes. Then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.